Modern warfare is no longer limited to fighter jets and missiles. Today, one of the most disruptive technologies shaping the battlefield is the laser weapon system. Among them, the LY-1 laser system has drawn serious attention. So, what exactly is LY-1? The LY-1 is a high-energy laser air defense system designed primarily to counter drones, small aerial targets, and surveillance platforms. Instead of using traditional missiles, it destroys targets using a focused laser beam, disabling them within seconds. The biggest strength of the LY-1 system is its anti-drone capability. With drone warfare becoming a major threat in modern conflicts, conventional air defenses often struggle against small, low-cost drones. LY-1 can track, lock, and neutralize these targets with high precision. Another major advantage is cost efficiency. Launching a missile can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars, while a laser shot costs only a fraction of that. This makes laser systems extremely attractive for long-term defense operations. LY-1 also offers silent and accurate engagement. There is no explosion, no blast radius, and minimal collateral risk. This makes it suitable for defending cities, military bases, airports, and critical infrastructure. From a strategic perspective, laser weapons like LY-1 represent a shift in air defense doctrine. They are not meant to replace missiles entirely, but to work alongside radar and missile systems as part of a layered defense network. However, the system is not without limitations. Weather conditions such as heavy rain, fog, or dust can reduce laser effectiveness. This is why LY-1 performs best when integrated with other air defense technologies.